It's summertime, and the hot weather it brings can pose real health risks to those who work in it for a living. But nature has a way of protecting us. We sweat. You ever wonder how that works? The sweat leaves your skin through tiny holes called pores. When the sweat hits the air, it evaporates. That is, it changes state from a liquid to a vapor. Now, there are limits to what the body can do to keep itself cool, and when those limits are exceeded, serious health conditions can result. And as a shop owner, you're responsible for the safety and welfare of your employees. So what's the solution? I recall all too well the shops I've worked in that relied on open bay doors and a few shop fans. Well, all they did was move the hot air from one spot to another. Traditional air conditioning will certainly cool down the space, but that can be a costly option, both in terms of initial installation and daily operation. Another solution? Cool your employees, not the space, using an evaporative cooler like the ones offered by PortaCool. This is the PortaCool Jetstream 250 and is a mid-range product designed to cool smaller spaces with a listed cooling capacity of 2,125 square feet. It features their proprietary Cool Comfort evaporative media and a 24-inch variable fan capable of delivering 8,500 cubic feet per minute at up to 24 miles per hour, all while drawing less than 7 amps. Just like the evaporative effect that we get when we sweat, the PortaCool unit draws hot air across its water-saturated evaporative media, where the water evaporates and absorbs the heat load. The chilled air is then passed out the other side. I must admit I was a little hesitant about the effectiveness of the process in such a high humidity state like my home state of Florida. Long-term residents of the state know that when the relative humidity and the air temperature reach certain levels, the moisture in the air is condensing on the skin about as fast as the sweat can evaporate. That's the sticky feeling that we Floridians know so well. The key is to use these products to create a cool zone, and multiple products placed strategically can provide maximum benefit, whether used in your open air shop or outside. Of course, the lower the relative humidity, the more effective these coolers become. In dry climates like Arizona, for example, temperature differentials of up to 30 degrees is not uncommon. Let's face it, garages aren't built for comfort. They're designed to get cars in and get cars out. Cinder block walls, metal roofs, very little or no insulation. All of these mean a typical shop can turn into a solar oven as the mercury starts to climb. And that can cause serious health risks for your staff if there's no cooling solution provided. So what will you do to protect your team? To learn more about the PortaCool line and to locate a distributor near you, visit www.portacool.com.